Assalamu alaikum and warm welcome to my presentation. My name is Shabir Ahmed and my number is 6045. Today I am going to take a seminar of machine or rate. Okay, let's start the presentation now. First of all, before going to the problem, first we have to know the meaning of machine or rate. Under the meaning of machine or rate, we are going to see some advantage and disadvantage. Okay, first of all, we see the meaning of machine or rate. Meaning of machine hour rate is a cost of running a machine for an hour. Under this machine hour are used as a method for a basics of production overhead absorption. The rate is calculated as follows. Machine hour rate, that is MRH is equal to production the overhead divided by machine hour. Next, we're going to see the advantages of machine audit. The advantages of machine audit, first point is it takes into account time factor. It is suitable when the major portion of production is performed by a machine. It facilitates the ascertainment and the accurate and the reliable cost. The under and absorption of machine hours, the overhead would indicate the idle capacity of machine. And then we see in the above slide disadvantages of machine audit. Under disadvantages of machine, first it is not suitable when the major part of the production is done by the manual labor, and second, it required a detailed record of machine for each hour operation, and third, it is difficult to understand and calculate, and fourth, it is quite difficult to estimate and harvest in advance. In this slide, we're going to see the format of machine hours. And we have three columns, that is particular, total, per hour. Under the particulars, we have standing charges. Under the standing charges, we have rent and taxes, heating and lighting. And third is supervision. And fourth is insurance. And fifth is lubricant oil and the consumable stores. And sundry supplies or cleaning overheads and departmental and general overheads. After calculating this, we get total fixed or device standing charges mm, per day. Then we get the standing charges per hour. And this is a continuation format we seen before. Mm, my machine expenses. Under the machine expenses, we have depreciation, repairs and maintenance, power, machine operator, and other running expenses. After calculated this two part, we get finally machine operator. On this basics only, we going to do one simple problem. Let's see the problem. This is the problem. Work out the machine or rate for the following machine for the month of January 2007. First, cost of machine is rupees 90,000 and fit and installation is rupees 10,000. Working life is 10 years. Working hours is 2,000 per year. Repair charges 50% of depreciation. Powers 10 units per hour. 10 pies per unit. Lubricant oil is rupees 2 per day of 8 hours. Consumable storage rupees 2 per day of 8 hours. Wages of operator is rupees 4 per day of 8 hours. Okay, let's see the solution now. First of all, compute heading is computation of machine hour rate. We have to divide in three column particulars per day of 8 hours. That is, we listed in the question is 8 hours, so we have to write 8 hours per day, and third is per hour. Under the particular column, we have to write for standing charges. Under the standing charges, we have lubricant oil is rupees 2 per day of 8 hours. So lubricant oil is rupees 2. And third is second is consumable stores. And second is 10 per day of 8 hours. So consumable store is 10. And third is wages of operator, and wages of operator is rupees 4 per day, so wages of operator is rupees 4. After adding these three, we get 16, that is standing charges per day. we have to calculate the standing charges per hour. So we have to divide standing charges per day by 8 hours. We get 2. So that is standing charges per hour is 2. And B is machine expenses. Under machine expenses, we have first you have to depreciation. Depreciate how to we can calculate depreciation by cost of machine plus fresh and installation minus scrap value divided by working life. Under this formula, first cost of machine is rupees 90,000 and fresh and installation is rupees 10,000. Scrap value is not given in the problem, so scrap value is 0 divided by working life is 10 years, and working hours is 2000 per year divided by get 20,000. After calculated we get depreciation is rupees 5, and second is repair charges 50 percentage of depreciation. So we have to depreciate 50%. So 5 into 550 by 100 we get 2.50. And third is power. Power is 10 per day of 10 pies per unit. So 10 into 0.10 is rupees 1. At last we get the machine or
10.50. Hope you all enjoy the presentation, and thank you for your precious time to listening to the presentation. And once of all, thank you all.